OG? OG retros? Or hype shit? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you once again for tuning in for another fucking episode of Kush and Swoosh. Before we get started on the video, man, it's just like always. Anybody under the age of 18, hey, this sneaker channel may not be suitable for you guys. I do cuss, smoke some, and if you guys are not really fucking with this type of content, feel free to click the fuck away. But if you guys are new to the channel and actually like this type of content, hit that subscribe button real quick and yo, spark one up with me, man, and let's get right into this. Once again, shout out to the homie 604 Souls for always hooking me up with some sneakers to review for you guys, man. I just wanna, that's the good thing about having friends that are resellers, you know? I really don't have to fucking buy new shit just to give you guys content. Because honestly, man, sometimes I just want to see the sneakers and then give you guys my opinion about them. And shout out to the homies that are providing me with all of these. Also check them out if you guys are looking for some pairs. We're gonna compare the new hype to somewhat of an old hype. This is like the OG retro versus the Virgil retro. Alright, let's dig into it. Before you guys say that I don't have any older pairs other than these ones, I do have a pair somewhere here, I think. I did have a pair of 99s, or 2000, I think 2000. Those are 2000. Pretty sure it's a 2000. But anyways, I did have the 2000, and I think my homie Chris still has that pair somewhere. But this is the black metallics from 2016, I think. This is from 2016 retro, I'm pretty sure. I don't know really. I think I've worn this like one or twice, but it's, yeah, this was released in 2016. So the OG retro, and the oldest pair that I have in the collection, which is kind of like this one right now. 2006, I think. Shout out to my ex-girlfriend for this. Yeah, I think I have like maybe 4 or 5 pairs in the stash somewhere. Maybe four pairs, 3 or 4 pairs that in the stash somewhere that was given to me by my exes. So this is one of them. See how yellow that is? Man, I know it's dirty as fuck. But yeah, anyways, that's it. This is the, I don't know, Stealth Blues from 2006. Let's get into this, man. Let's dive into the comparison for this, because this is OG shit and the new shit. Honestly, I fuck with both of them, man. Like I said, if you guys haven't seen that video of me unboxing this and doing a full review on these, go watch it, please. Could use some views. Yeah. Anyways, man, this is in comparison, like I said, like, if you look at it, I know it's a different size, but it's only a half, like, I think it's one size difference, a full size difference, but that's it. But look how fat that tongue is on the on the OG retros. Like, it fucking sticks out. It doesn't look good. And look how bulky it is from the back. The difference is like a lot. Look how skinny this one is, man. This is why I said I was like, this is more of a lifestyle sneakers. Like, a lot of the people don't realize, look, man, a lot of people don't realize that what Virgil is doing to these is making it into more of a lifestyle sneakers. I fuck with it. I'm not gonna, I guess this is me, the inner hype beast in me, just saying I gotta embrace the new shit. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna fucking front here and say I don't fuck with it. This is good. This is really good. I love this because, like I said, man, it reminds me of old school shit. Like, this is my pair and doesn't look at it. Right? It's like yellowed out already. But I like it. I like it. Now, for those of you guys don't remember, like the 2-3 right there, that was like, they came out in 2007 with a 23 on the side too, but that wasn't like OG. That was like a PE type. So I like this. I like this. I like this a lot. I'm not, like I said, I like the off-white a lot. Like, I didn't expect it. I never expected to like this on hand. Honestly, man, I'm just mad that I'm broke as fuck right now, and I don't want to buy anything other than the packs and the reverse breads. Until I get those two, I'm not buying anything else. These are by far one of the best off-white out there. The Jordan 4th that just leaked, interesting. Kind of looks like my military force. That's yellowed the fuck out from 2006, right there somewhere. I definitely like it. Like, to me, I wouldn't wear the zip tie. I'd cut that shit off straight up. This, if I see you wearing a pair of these, bro, like, I might just cut that shit off of you. It looks stupid, dude. Don't be stupid. Don't be that kind of people. Don't be that kind of hype beast. But in terms of the sneakers, I like it. The materials are different, right? Totally different. And like I said, I could see why people would gravitate on wearing these rather than getting this, because this is a little bit bulkier than this. I honestly, if I wasn't into like Michael Jordan and shit like that, and I wasn't into basketball like most of you guys, you know, all about fashion and shit, yeah, definitely, I wouldn't be mad for all you kids out there, hypebeasts and stuff, and pulling these off and buying these, right, instead of these. So stay out of the OG lane and stick to the hypebeast lane. I'd be fine with it, all right. But yeah, I wouldn't mind these. These are fucking, these are nice. These are really, really nice. I'm not gonna lie. Like I said on my video, I would switch out the laces and put the beige ones on there just because, right? But otherwise, man, I still fuck with my OGs, right? I know it's not for everybody because, look, I could barely wear these two because it's just, I hate the tongue. It's just way too bulky. It kind of tongue fucks my jeans, which I'm not trying to do. Definitely check out 604 Soles if you guys are looking for some sneakers, for those of you guys that are local. And for those of you guys that are not local, he does ship worldwide. And hey, I vouch for the kid, alright? I vouch for my homies, man. Like, never have I had any issues with him and shit. So, which one would you guys pick? Would you guys go for the OGs, you know, or this? Personally, for me, I fuck with both. You know, I definitely fuck with both. Why? Because if I already have this, yo, I wouldn't mind having this too. Who's to say that I can't rock this? I feel like this is better in terms of streetwear. If I'm not playing ball and shit no more, then something like this, definitely I would gravitate to picking up. So, hey, call me a fucking hype beast. I don't give a shit. I like what I like. Definitely one of my favorites of the year so far. Of the year. Too bad I'm broke right now and I can't fucking buy it. Shout out to the homies, 604 Souls, Mark, for giving me another pair to review for you guys. Anyways, guys, for those of you guys that are new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this type of video. More content along the way. Thank you for tuning in. Till next time, guys. Maybe that weed you was smoking had you feeling confident. Let's have a real conversation. Maybe that doctor put something in